Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to use microphone in duet mode on TikTok using either an iPhone or an Android phone. Alright, it's very easy. So how can we do that? Now the first step to take is to open your TikTok app, and then from the FYP, if you find a video you want to duet, all you have to do guys is to click on the share icon at the right hand side, just like this, and then you'll find the duet icon. Tap on that. Right, so you can select a mode, a duetting mode. So these are the available options. You can duet like this, or like this, or like this. So I prefer this one. So if you want to use an external microphone, it's very easy. From the top right corner, you find all these options right there. Click on this drop down icon, and then you find the mic icon. Once you tap on that, you'll be able to improve your recording quality using either your earpiece or external microphone. As you can see, I'm using an external microphone to record, and this is actually a wireless microphone. You can buy this online. All right, so it's very good. It can help you improve your video recording quality, and also you can make use of the earpiece to increase the recording quality of your video. So guys, it's that easy. So once it's been connected, once it's been plugged in on your phone, then you can just start recording. Make sure you click on this mic. Once you're seeing this cross sign on the mic, it means that you can't use the mic. But once you remove the cross sign just like this, then you can be able to use your earpiece or an external microphone to improve your recording quality, guys. So guys, this is how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe. Alright, so that's not all though. So after plugging in your external microphone, go ahead and click on the record button, and then you can start recording. So that's how to do it, guys. Remember to give this video a like and equally subscribe if it was helpful. Bye for now.